If you want to find and manage sound settings on POCO M8 5G, you can go to Settings, then in here we can scroll down a little bit, and then we have Sound and Vibration. You can change the notification sound, the ringtone sound, and the alarm sound. We can also adjust the volume level for media, ringtone, and alarm, and by default, notifications are synchronized with ringtone volume. So if you want to change the notification volume, you need to change the ringtone volume. To enable notifications in here, you need to go to Additional Settings and then turn on Control Notification Sounds. Besides that, we can find the Silent Mode, Silence Media in Silent Mode, and Do Not Disturb Mode. We can also find some vibration options like the Vibrate for calls, Vibrate in Silent Mode, and Touch Vibration. In sound effects, you can find the Dolby Atmos or Xiaomi sound, so you can choose whichever you want to use. And there is also, for example, the graphic equalizer. There's also the earphone controls section. And in additional settings, we have some volume adjustment settings. You can adjust media sound in multiple apps, and you can choose to have multiple audio sources. There's also a bunch of system sounds that you can easily toggle by tapping on these switchers. Subscribe to my channel.